Good morning, everyone. We are back on the road. We got off at 8:30, only 30 minutes past the time that we wanted, so that's like good for, for us. But we are finishing out our trip to Yellowstone. So we'll be at the west side of Yellowstone today, hopefully by about 1 o'clock, if all goes well. So, say hi. No. Bubba, say hi. Whoa! Is that cool? Okay guys, we made it. We're officially driving through Yellowstone. We're still 2 hours from our location because Yellowstone is huge. So we're on the east side of Yellowstone right now, traveling through it to get to the west side. But look at this. This is so cool. The water is so clear. Oh, you're okay. You're all right. You're okay. Here, look. Shake it off. Shake it off. Wipe it on Mommy's pants. There you go. See, you're all good. Take that with us, bub. You can't take that, Arlo.
I'm on vacation.
Every single day. Because I love my occupation.
I'm on vacation. Every single day.
This isn't a bad place to play at the park. I can watch them, and this is my view that I get to look at. How freaking beautiful is this, you guys? Oh, I feel so lucky and blessed right now. Do that again. Do that again. What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're riding golf cart.
It's a razor. Oh. Okay. All right, we're going ATVing.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Look at mommy. Hi, Bubba. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Wyoming, Which was your favorite? Babe?
I don't know.
Too hard to say?
All of it.
Oh god, that's so crooked.
One more to go.
I'd have to say, for me personally, right now, I think is my favorite spot.
Oh, this
right
spot?
here in Idaho.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Show them a little bit, babe.